Hey guys, so I recently converted a tape gun like this into a table dispenser like this. I don't have any sample pack to tape, but when I used to build sample packs, I still do. But before, I used to have to set down the sample pack, grab this, pull the tape out, rip a piece off, and put it on the sample pack and set this down again, and then I'd grab the next sample pack, and that got really annoying. So I did a table dispenser, so now I don't have to pick up the dispenser anymore. I just pull, rip, tape the envelope, and move on. And I believe it saved quite a bit of time on my end.